Subscribe now. Press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Negativity has always been the part of our society. Now the question is how to eliminate the negativity. When we think about curing a problem, we need to find its reason, and the reason for negativity is our criteria of satisfaction and success set at individual level. We think we will be successful only if we have money. It is not the case. We think we will be considered successful only if we are wealthy. You are successful if you have good opportunities. You are successful if you have good loyal friends. If you have good risk-taking abilities, you are unique. And if you have good well-defined idea, you can be a great entrepreneur. You can be a successful businessman. And if you think your idea is not going to work, it is not going to give you something, then remember, what has not happened on this planet till now can happen tomorrow. You just need to believe you are capable of making it happen tomorrow. Everything we as humans created on this planet was first created in our mind, then it got manifested in the outside world. All the great and horrible things that happened on this planet were first in our mind, were first created in our mind. So it is very important to keep our mind in the right direction, and if you don't have the power to keep the mind in the right direction, if you cannot do that, then remember, things that happen to you will be very accidental and very haphazardous. So remember, if you can create your mind the way you want it to be, then the things will happen the way you want them to be. But it is not easy to keep our mind in one direction because of unnecessary thoughts, unnecessary moments and unnecessary plannings, because they are continuously circulating in our mind. And it is not only mind that need to be kept in one direction. We humans have 4 dimensions: our body, our mind, our emotions and our energies. If you organize your mind to a certain level of organization, it in turn organizes the whole system. Your body, your emotions and your energies. Everything gets organized in one direction. And if all 4 dimensions are in one direction, your mind, your body, your emotions and your energy, once you are like this, everything happens the way you want, because first you put all your energy in thinking a positive idea and then acting on that positive idea. Right now the problem with our mind is, it is changing its direction every moment. It is like you want to travel somewhere and every 2 steps you are changing your direction. Then the question of you reaching the destination is very remote, unless it is by chance. So my advice to you is, keep all 4 dimensions in one direction and keep it unwavering for a certain period.